Good morning, students, and welcome once again to our online art class. Our topic is still about the face proportion. Last time, we had an activity of drawing the face in frontal view with correct proportion. This time, what we are going to draw is the side view of the face, still with correct proportion. So these are the materials that we are going to use for this activity. We need to use pencils, eraser, sharpener. It's very important for you to have a ruler and a drawing paper. And I have here a piece of cloth, so I need to put it under my hand when I'm drawing, just to keep my drawing clean. Alright, so let us start our activity with drawing a square. So the measurement of our square is 10.5. So what we are going to do next is to divide our square into 4 parts vertically. So we need to divide it into 4. So we have 3 centimeters. So that's 1, another 3 centimeters, 2, 3, and then the last part is only 1.5 centimeters. So again, this is 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and then 1.5 centimeters. Next, let us divide our square horizontally into 4. So what we are going to do is to divide it starting at the bottom. So this is our step number 1. Drawing a square and dividing it into 4 parts, vertically and horizontally. So vertically, I have 3 centimeters starting from the left, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and then 1.5 for the small one. And then horizontally, we have to divide it also into 4. So we have to start from the bottom, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3, and then 1.5. Now, the next step that we are going to do is to indicate the position of the forehead, the nose, and the lips, and the chin. So with this part here, this is where we are going to draw the features of the face. So what we have to do is to divide it vertically into 3. So since we have 3 centimeters, that means we have to divide it with 1 centimeter per each part. You can draw broken lines, or you can draw thin line or light marks only. We need to draw it lightly because we do not want to confuse ourselves when we are already on the part that we have to draw the features of the face. Okay, so I have divided it into 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 centimeter each. So now let us indicate the location of the features of the face. So this line here, 1, 2, this is for the brow line. This is where we have to draw the eyebrows later. And then we need to draw the eye on this line below the brow line. And then the tip of the nose will be until here. And then the chin. So for the lips, we have to put it on this part. So we have to measure 1 centimeter. And then let's make it straight, 1 centimeter here. And then I can just draw the line here since I only have to draw the lips on this part. Okay? Alright, so now let us start drawing the forehead, the nose, the lips, and the chin. So starting from this part. So again, this is our starting point. And then we have to draw the forehead here until here. Okay? So now let us draw the hair. And now let's go back to the face. So we are going to draw now the eyebrows. We have to draw the eyebrows not on top of the line or below the line. It should be at the center of the line. We have to make it a little thicker because this is a man's eyebrow, so you can add details. Next is we have to draw the eye at this part, at this point. Okay, so let us start drawing the eye. So now what we are going to do is finalize our drawing. So I'm just going to use the darker pencil. our finished artwork. This is a drawing of a side view face with correct proportion. So please don't forget to take a photo of yourself while drawing and a photo of your finished artwork. And please don't forget to write your name at the bottom and the date that you finished your work. Thank you.